Oh, flounder. Check it out, guys. Oh, see you, buddy. Good morning, everybody. How's it going? Another adventure here on Time Made Adventures. Today we are out here on the kayak. So first thing this morning, I'm gonna start out hitting the flats. We just got loaded up on a bunch of bait, and now we're gonna hit the flats and see what we can get into. It's gonna be a good day out here, bright and early. Sun just came up. We got a whole bunch of birds hanging out with us today, guys. Y'all gotta go so I can fish. Eagle's harassing me, bro. Look at this. I can't even fish. Dude, for real? Bro, these suckers are relentless. They just won't leave me alone. They're just following me everywhere I go. I got like 10 of them. Stealing my bait, scaring all the fish away. Look at them. They just keep coming. I'm trying to get away from them. They just follow me, dude. Go away. I want to fish. You guys are ruining my fishing day. Come on. Go away. Stay back there. There we go. Damn catfish. A little grouper. See you, buddy. So we decided to move over here to the bridge, and I think it's gonna do good. There we go. Ooh, another grouper. I think that's the same one I just caught. Alright guys, so it hasn't been too bad of a day so far. We've caught quite a few fish. I mean, I caught a couple catfish. Flats fishing didn't work out this morning. So, as you guys can see, I got swarmed by the birds. They were just swarming me and taking my bait, stealing everything, attacking me. You know, nothing I could have done. So them dang birds ruined the flats fishing this morning. But we were able to get out to the bridge, and we did catch a couple gag groupers, little ones, little gag groupers, so that was cool. Found us a little a grouper hole. So it was a fun day out there, guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next Time Made Adventures.